What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's, back with another informative video. Now, this will be my first official, I guess you could say, tech and review video of something in 2024. I'm trying to get back to my videos like I used to do with tech. And there's no better time than to make time, I guess you can say. So I'm making time to do my tech videos. I'm trying to get more consistent. I'm trying to stay consistent. I've been doing a lot of shorts lately. They've been doing really good. I thank you to all my new subscribers and all my day ones, my in-betweens. I love you guys. Keep hitting that like button. I definitely appreciate it. We're going to unbox this bad boy. You see the name of it. And yeah, we're going to get right on into where I got it from, the price I paid, and you can see if the light hits it just right, you can see it has a nice polished finished look. Presentation is amazing. Maybe you saw the price already. But we'll get right on into it, guys. So I had a chance to spend a whole 8-hour day with this actual radio, this actual wireless Bluetooth speaker. Man, I haven't done these videos in so long. I forgot how I even do them, but let's just get right on into it. I know you guys normally want to know where I got it from and how much I paid before I even start talking about it. So I got this at Ross, okay? So there's some gadgets that you can get at Ross's, and I paid $14.99 is what I paid for this. So we're gonna unbox it, look at it. I need to start getting a second phone, so that I'm gonna be getting a phone soon, because I have the 12. I'm gonna go to probably the 14 and the 15. And with that being said, I'm gonna, I want to do a presentation when I do these of you hearing sound from it, but I want to make sure it's unedited or unadded music that won't get copyrighted. And that's why I don't really want to say the name of what this is. And probably when I do my video for the description of what this is, I'm going to add something to it to make it not get the me yellow ads. I don't know why YouTube did that, but I've been doing this game for a long time. They're not sponsoring me. So it's not that I'm not trying to get sponsored back by them, but it's just the fact that they pretty much don't help me make money. So without further ado, let's get right onto this Pro and see what all it says. So on the front, you're going to see it says Bluetooth. It says 0 static, and I can 100% attest that is true. No static whatsoever. It's an indoor, outdoor, water resistant, and Bluetooth speaker. And then you go to the next side and it shows powerful, crisp sound. I can attest to that. It sounds really good. Now, does it have bass? No, it is not necessarily a lot of bass, even though I don't listen to a lot of bassy, I would say, songs. I listen to gospel rap, so I'm not sure if that's like bassy songs, but you get the point I'm making. Stream your audio wirelessly from up to 33 feet away. Quick access control, play, pause, adjust volume, all with a quick press of the button. Now, what you'll notice is it shows it up here like this, but that's actually the bottom of it. So it's kind of weird how you'll see once we open it up. I'll show you. It's the Pro version, waterproof, resistant Bluetooth speakers, superior sound, waterproof resistant, and music playtime up to 7 hours. I've gotten 8 because nobody's listening to 8 straight hours unless you just got it on repeat and your phone's sitting there all day long on Pandora or something, which I don't. I pause it, I go on break, I do different things, and it's stopping and pausing. It's probably not using as much juice. So it lasted me a whole 8-hour day at least without me having to charge it. Water resistance, nothing else on the side. It shows the price. It says IPX4. And you can put multiple of these together. So let's show you how they open it up, because I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. You see how it opens up? So it just opens up almost like a boom, boom, boom. Look at that. I love that, how it opens. Every time you buy a speaker, you want it to open like that. That is pretty cool. So it's kind of a look at what it looks like. And it's pretty much the same information on this page. And it just gives you a picture of what it looks like. And you see how the top of this speaker, that's where the top, where the little speaker is. And it, actually the bottom part of this is where the volume up and down and all this. So you basically have to pick it up, mash what you want to mash on it, and then sit it back down, which I think they should have somehow put a speaker. I don't know. I don't know what they should have did. I'm not the creator of this, but it sounds really awesome. So here it is. Okay. And you pull it out. I got pretty big hands, so you can see it's two of my hands. I got pretty big hands. That's what it says, 0 static on the front of it. That's what the inside, where the, see the speaker is. It got this handle, a rubbery handle. I know a lot of people really like looking at it, and I did use it. I did get to use it. And in this, you pull this out, and it has your USB, and it has a memory. If you have a memory, you could put that memory card right in there and listen to music right from that, like a MP3 player or whatever. I've never used those. And then it has, of course, the mini HDMI right there. And you can just pretty much put that up there and close it. And you can see it has all the information there, which is 1200 milliamps is how much battery life is on it. So probably equivalent to most phones lasting if you use it gently. I think if you play this all day, it probably lasts a good 6 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours consistent play. But then you can see the bottom, because that's the thing. I don't know why they would make it the bottom, and I don't understand how the rubber that they have here attracts so much dust and dirt, because I am in a warehouse where I work. So, but you can see it has a little rubber thing so it don't slide around. But as you can see, it has the volume up and down, power button, the Bluetooth, power on, volume up and down, and playback. So that is pretty much it. I don't know. I can really see in the light a little bit, but I think those are other speakers or just the way it's made. If you can see what I'm picking up. But pretty cool, man. Easy setup. Not sure much what else I can say. Made this video as long as it needed to be. You guys see what it looks like. You guys go get you guys one. I appreciate you guys and all that you've been doing. I'm going to continue to put out these videos. I'm never giving up on my channel, and I'm never giving up on you guys. I thank you for all my supporters. This is Ghost Out of 2 T's, and I'm out.